Tingnan na lang natin ganito. Wow. Wow. That is so amazing. Imagine guys, feeling ko hindi talaga natin ito mauubos sa sobrang dami nito. But then again, super happy. Thanks so much. So they prepared 15 different kind of dishes para sa atin. And I think it's categorized, no? Let me categorize them. So meron tayo dito mga tapsilog, sizzling plates, and then meron tayong mga sabaw. I think this is their signature. So I think itong nasa harapan talaga natin. Meron tayo dito parang pork tsaka silog, adobo silog, tapa tsaka pares. Meron tayong pares silog. This one is the tapa. Yan, so pinikiloy nila, pwede naman. Habang mainit pa, tikman naman natin yung kanilang sabaw. So if you order like one rice meal and then you order another ganito, so parang side sila for only 90 pesos. So, different, no? May sisig, bulalo, again, may pares at saka tokot baboy. Tikman natin. So, sa mga sizzling pala, meron tayo ditong kare-kare, sausage. Tingnan natin kanilang vegetable. Cheers. Guys, actually, kanina pa. So, kung tikman yung kanilang sausage. Cheers. Napaka-malinamnam niya. I think if it has a cheese, parang malinamnam siya. And doon ang pagkakasisling niya kasi it adds smoky. It's smoky flavor. Turns out, this is a big fried liempo. Gravy. There you go. Alright, cheers. Actually, kanina, dun sa mga customer, nakakwentuhan ko, order daw niya yung kanilang adobo. So, titingnan natin to. More. The pork. Let's go. So, guys, my take, when you go here, syempre order tayo ng mga main dishes, mga rice meals. Go get a vegetable. So it's gonna like clean your palate. Tingnan naman natin yung kanilang kare-kare. Hopefully magkasya sa kutsara natin. Cheers! This one is their sinigang. Kanilang bulalo. Actually, earlier when this was, serving, habang pinipicture natin, this was really sizzling hot. Tingnan na lang natin ganito. Wow! Wow! That is so amazing. Grabe. Tocino, longganisa, it's also available here. All at once. Cheers, cheers. Tokot baboy. Wow! Red iced tea. Not gonna lie. May mga hindi ako natikman like this pork chop. Itong kanilang pork steak. Nabusog ako. So, sizzling. Parang siyang barbecue chicken. Alright, so yun guys, let me describe the place para sa akin, the dining area. It can accommodate 50 people at any given time. Yung pinaka-design naman nito, para sa akin, aesthetic. Ganda ng color combination ng mga pinili nila dito. The ambience is very pleasing para po sa mga masasarap na pagkain na ganito. Papasalamat ako ulit kay TapsiPares. Guys, this is a 24/7 restaurant dito po sa Angeles City. So it's good thing. Napaka-accessible lamang niya, when you are coming from Clark or even inside Angeles City. Ayun po, you have a place, whatever time it is na napunta kayo dito, it's gonna be open to serve you. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, guys. Bye.